half a shekel, it says in the beginning of the parasha, was specifically against Ayin Hara. It's a concept in Judaism that almost all Jews, religious and non-religious, believe in. Ayin Hara. Ayin Hara literally means evil eye. In Gemara, Masechet Brachot, it says 99% of people die from Ayin Hara. 1%, the original sin. 99% of people die from Ayin Hara. Say, oh wow, you look good. Guy dies the next day. Oh wow, you only 70? Guy dies the next day. Oh wow, all these compliments people like to give, they're not helping you. It's Ayin Hara. It's Ayin Hara, it's not good. If you believe in Ayin Hara, it's better off to never get a compliment. In fact, you can get Ayin Hara even from people that love you, including your own mother. Nobody loves you as much as your mother, except God. Why? Because your mom believes that technically you're part of her body. You used to be a part of her body before you came into the world and started running around by yourself causing trouble. Before that, for 9 months, you were part of her body. A part of her body. So that's why anytime a husband tries to tell the mom how to raise the kids, as if he knows better, she looks at him like he has 5 heads. She goes, how can you tell me how to make my arm work better? It's my arm. How are you going to tell my arm to work better? It's my arm. I know my arm better than you know my arm. That's the way she looks like a child. Normal mom. Yeah, some of these moms, Shem Hashem what they are. But I'm talking about normal mom. So, the important thing to understand is that your mom loves you a lot because you used to be part of her body. It's good. But even her, that loves you as much as she loves you, can give you Ayin Hara. She says, oh wow, Mazal Tov. Ooh, you got a promotion, next week he's fired. Oh wow, Mazal Tov, you guys bought a big house, next day the house is on fire. Happens. What do you think, it doesn't happen? It happens. It happens. And that's why a lot of people are very, very scared of Ayin Hara, religious and non-religious, because these things do happen. It's not a coincidence. It happens. One of the reasons is because most people give compliments, but it's really not a compliment. It's really a jealousy. Really, they're reminding you that you have something you really don't deserve, and in reality, they're kind of putting a case against God. Why don't I have this big house? Why don't I look as good? So a lot of people, they give you a compliment, they give you a compliment on your car, on your job, on your client, on your wife, on your this and your that, but in reality, they want it. So that's Ayin Hara. The second reason is also because if they mention something, somebody mentions that you got something, those words go up to Shamayim. The Gemara says that every single word that you say goes up to Shamayim, and they evaluate what this word is. They evaluate what this word is. Every time you say bracha, Baruch atah Hashem Elokeinu melech haolam, whatever it is, it goes up to Shamayim and say, oh, this is what he says. Should we fulfill it or not? Yes or no? They ask Hashem, should we fulfill every single blessing? Should we fulfill what he said or no? He says to somebody, I can't stand you, I hope you, Shem Hashem, I hope you die. Those words go up to Shamayim. Said Hashem, he just hoped that his best friend died. Should we fulfill it or no? So now Hashem says, okay, open the book. Let's see, maybe there's something here. Open the book, he says it. Maybe he has the right to make his words fulfilled. So when someone says words, those words go up to Shamayim. They evaluate those words. So, oh, Mazal Tov on the house, but actually looking at the accounting over here, he doesn't deserve it. He doesn't deserve it. It could bring a kitrug. So a person needs to be worried from Ayin Hara, from even his own mom. Worst thing that I heard about it is that a person needs to be worried from giving himself Ayin Hara. Himself. He can give himself Ayin Hara by saying things out loud. talking about himself. Baruch Hashem, I just finished Masechet tu. Oh, Baruch Hashem, I just got this client. He's going to send me $1 million this week. Oh, Baruch Hashem. All those things, be careful. First and foremost, get used to saying Baruch Hashem all the time. Before you start any sentence, say Baruch Hashem. 1.5 million times a day, Baruch Hashem. Why? Always remind yourself it's all because of Hashem. It has nothing to do with you. That already protects you. Second of all, if people like to give you compliments, try to run away from compliments in a nice way. It's better off not to get compliments. It's better off. Even though I know we like compliments, everybody likes compliments, I like compliments, everybody likes compliments. If you're a human being, you like compliments. Even if you say right now, no, I'd really rather not have compliments. Okay, don't have compliments for 6 months. Look how depressed you're going to get. Oh, nobody likes me. Nobody likes me. They didn't tell me that my bicycle is nice. Nobody even knows you have a bicycle. You're hiding in the house. You don't want them to see it. Nobody likes me though. Yeah, everybody cries about that. So you have to understand. Compliments is part of our nature. We like compliments, but it's very dangerous. So one of the things the Gemara says that you could also say, you could put your hands like this and say, I am of the seed of Yosef HaTzadik. I am of the seed of Yosef HaTzadik, and he is above and beyond Ayin Hara. You could also say that. If somebody gives you a compliment of some kind, or something good happened to you aside from saying Baruch Hashem, if you're still worried about Ayin Hara, then you can say something like that. Best of all is to say Baruch Hashem and do the right thing. Do the right thing, you'll always have the reason why Hashem wants to give you more.